Hi everyone, myself Divij. So in this video we will be doing the two questions of to find the equation of tangent of circle and parabola and also their normals if the point is given to us. We will be aiming to find the general formula of point x1 and y1. In the question they may can give the value of x and y also. So here the question says that find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the circle through point x1 and y1. And here we knew the formula, that is the equation of x and y. Sorry, equation of circle. And equation of circle says that x square plus y square is equal to r. Now to take the value of m, that is to take the value of slope of the tangent at point x1 and y1 in the circle lying on the circle. I am differentiating it. So differentiation 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore on further solving I will get the value of dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Now I knew the formula to find the slope, that is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Here I am directly taking the value as y1 and x1. In the equation, if they give the value of x1 and y1, we had to do accordingly. So here y minus y1, the slope I have found that minus x by y. Here the slope is at point x1 comma y1. So here also I have to do x dash and y dash. Therefore x minus x dash. Now continue to get more precise values, that is more easy values, because this will finally give one equation and it can be directly applied in the exams. We can directly in the especially in the MCQ part. So y dot y dash minus y dash square is equal to minus x dash x plus x dash square. Now I will keep this value here. So x dot x dash plus y dot y dash minus y dash square minus x dash square is equal to 0. This is the original formula that I got to find the tangent of the point of the given point here x1 and y1, which is lying on the circle. Now I need to find the normal condition for normal, and I knew that m1 dot m2 is equal to minus 1. So here if m1 is this minus x by y, therefore m2 is equal to y by x. So accordingly now I will be doing this y minus y dash is equal to m x minus x dash, and here y minus y dash is equal to, instead of m, y dash upon x dash, x minus x dash, and here multiplying it, x dash dot y minus y dash x dash is equal to y dash x dash, y dash x minus y dash x dash. Cut. Therefore I will get it as here I will be doing x1 y x dash y minus y dash x is equal to 0. So ultimately we define the two general formulas to determine the equation of tangent and the normal of the point lying on the circle. Now parabola. Here the question says the similar thing that we did in the case of circle, the same we will be doing in the parabola. So the question says that find the equation of the tangent normal to the parabola through the point x1 and y1. Note in the question asked in the exams, especially in case of MCQs, they will give the value of x and y directly. So first here we will be aiming to get the general equation, that is general formula. Here parabola is there. This drawing is called standard parabolic drawing, standard parabola, that is opening on right hand side. So here first of all we should know the general formula of standard parabola, and it is y square is equal to 4ax. Now I need to first, for any equation I need to find the value of tangent at point x1 and y1 lying on the parabola. So for this I will be doing differentiation with respect to x. So on differentiating, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a only. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 cancel, therefore 2a upon y. Now this is the required tangent, that is required slope m, that is dy by dx is equal to 2a upon y. But here y1 value is there, so I need to keep the value as y dash. So now the equation of the straight line says like this: y minus y dash is equal to m x minus x dash. Therefore here, keeping the values, y minus y dash is equal to m is this 2a upon y1 or y dash, x minus x dash. Y1 will be multiplied in LHS. Y dash y minus y dash square is equal to 2ax minus here 2ax dash. Here the value of x, here the value of a, I forgotten to say that here the value, this is a, and this, let the point be O. Is it seen? Yes, now it is seen. And this point is called focus, focus, focus. And the a is the distance of the focus from origin. So now going further, x and y. So 2ax minus y dash y is minus 2ax1 x dash minus y dash plus y dash square is equal to 0. This is the formula to find the equation of the tangent in case of parabola of at point x1 and y1. Now for normal condition, for normal, as m1 dot m2 is equal to minus 1, m2 is equal, if m1 is 2a y1, 2a upon y dash, then m2 is equal to y dash upon 2a, provided the sign is negative. So y minus y dash is equal to, what is this, y dash upon 2a x minus x dash. 2a y minus 2a y dash is equal to minus y dash x plus y dash x dash. Yes. Now here the value of x is there, and here that is variable x is there, and here variable y is there. So x y dash is equal, x y dash plus 2ay minus 2ay dash minus y dash x dash is equal to 0. And this formula I got, that is the general formula I got to find the tangent normal to the, that is to find the equation normal to the tangent at point x1 and y1 located in case of parabola. So these equations may be useful. Now here the thing to be remembered is I have taken the formulas as general formulas. This can furthermore be classified in various forms, but it is the most basic form I have tried to mention. Thank you.